stocks go up and down, and we prefer to invest when the price is low so we can get a better dividend yield and increase the value of the portfolio. It's impossible to know exactly where that low entry point is, but there are some tools that can help you investing at about the right time. It's never a sure thing, but at least it can improve your chances to invest at the right moment. Our portfolio should be more or less balanced because we invest in many stocks. Every stock behaves differently, and while some go up, some go down. But it's always a good idea to try improving the entry point.